Okay, Fred, I'm happy to do this video. I'm happy that you are part of my channel now, because Fred, he was and he is my coach when I was playing tennis professionally. Since how many? 10 years? I was 10
You
years.
was 11 years old, yeah. We starting when you was 11 years old.
Well, now I'm 30, so
that's why I've got now was here. You
yeah, but you still look young. I mean, my sister saw you now,
make me ready.
and my sister said like, "Oh, Fred, you don't change, you know." So that means
good.
you have a good philosophy, you know, of the training.
Yes, the experience you give me too is we did an experience together all the life.
How do you think the sport can help, you know, people, freelancers, businessmen? Is it important?
For me, sports is bon. First of all, everybody know the sport is like for helping the people to reach a performance.
Yeah.
Okay, when you was tennis player, you wanted to be professional, and then you're starting to work with 11 years old. Every time you work as a professional, but you was 11 years old. Professional normally is when we starting to earning money. But when you starting to earning money, you must be prepared before. You cannot have the chance to play very well or make business, and then after come the stress and you have many situations you have to go ahead. And maybe you're physical, your mind is not ready. Like this, for example, good sleep, eating good, you know, you have a lot of dinner, a lot of lunch, and that don't help you. Donc, if you have a philosophy of sport or performance, you become a good CEO.
Yeah.
Because you have to adapt. It's a new concept. It's the performance. It's not because you don't jump, you don't sprint. You have to go to the reunion to stay, maybe sign an agreement 2 hours. You know, you have to keep focusing. 2 hours a match, you're focusing 1 hour and a half, and you play against a good player. The other player, the last 30 minutes, he win you.
Right.
But it's the same for the business. Now, I will say the future, to be in balance with the technology, you have to create a training, no fitness training, but a preparation of yourself to feel strong, to feel good, to present yourself good, to have a good image, but no good image nice, because you can't go to the chirurgy aesthetic and you change your body, you know. No, the thing is, okay, I'm here, I'm computer, or I try to come back in the posture, you know.
Yeah. But what do you think, for example, because for me, okay, I started as a professional, you know, like my career, and I arrived to business, you know, and okay, I can feel this, I'm working much better under pressure. When there is a problem, I handle it maybe, you know, better, because I have the same feeling when I play like competition, you know, it's the same, you know, sometimes you go down, sometimes you go up, ranking. But what about people who are not in sport, but they want to introduce sport in their life to help them? What maybe first thing they should they start running? Should they start swimming? Should they start biking? I don't know. What will be the first? Maybe they should look at their posture, you know, like what would you say?
Bon, alors, for example, I will take an example, I'll take you with you, you know that, is the army system, okay? The army system, you have the army, in one army professional, you have, I don't know, maybe 50,000 people working for the army, okay? But you have, for example, 4 groups of elite, of 200 guys, okay? These guys are strong in every part. No the performance for doing an Olympic champion, but they are very strong in everything, using technology, using the physique, resistance, everything. Then you have to accept two things, the concept of the fitness and the concept athletic. No, fitness is going to 3 times per week to keep fit. Okay, you can improve yourself, that is okay, but it's not something you will improve all the time, you know? And athletic is to keep a level you have got. Now, imagine you, today you are a beginner in the business, your stress is important because it's more in the creativity, but it's not in the long term, it's short term. But if you want to stay in the long term and you are good in your business, you must train your physical, your mental. Supposing you are sick, you miss your video. What's happened? You have to stay 2 weeks in the bed. That could happen.
Ouais.
You have donc to prevent any illness for to be a performance.
Yeah.
Because in that 2 weeks, another one take your place.
Yeah.
And to bring back, okay, the people, they are not changing like this, but if you want to bring back, to stay there, you have to accelerate the process in your body. Donc, the performance is sometimes to work in negative attitude to be performed.
So for example, like you don't want to go maybe tomorrow to the gym. Is like, oh, okay, I'm gonna go next week. But if you go, it's the same that when you're working, you have to finish this website, you know, today. And you're like, oh, okay, shit, I will do it tomorrow. But when you train this is the negative, right? Like
exactly.
when you train this and you do it instead of putting
exactly the match. You want to finish the match or set the match on 3 sets, and then you play a good guy. You have to finish in 5 sets. That have got an influence on the semi-final or on the final. The guy plays 3 sets in the other semi-final, and the other play 5 sets in the final. Make the final a difference. 2 sets too much. You know what I mean? In the business, it's the same. In the business, we don't think it's important, but it's important. More you feel good, you are lucky. You will see the champion when they feel good, the ball on the red, for example, they fell down the other side. You don't feel good, they feel down in your side, and you lost the point. It's exactly the same. You cannot, it's not, me I believe everybody can be confident with himself. But when something you have to prevent is all the parameters you have outside. Could be family, could be social, could be professional, could be healthy. Donc that have an influence on you. Everybody can control what they do, but they cannot control what you have got around you. That's the sport.
So what would you say will be good? Like, I don't know, let's say like, what would you recommend? They go to gym, maybe like they do weights, or maybe they work with their own body, you know? Just very simple.
I think everything is important.
Running maybe?
Listen, the problem is, imagine you say running. Okay, running, basically, we say normal people could run a normal time, like 30 minutes, 20 minutes, with 10 km, 11 km per hour. Okay? Bon, that's normal. But if we have the performance, it's 12 km 8.5 is the minimum. And after, up you go up. Okay? If you want to be a top, 12.5 is not enough. But if you stay like a normal 10, you don't change nothing about your life. Because you're going to decrease, because you don't improving something. Okay? Donc you have to know that for the post strength is important. If you are 20 years old, you have a credit. That's like you have a lot of money when you're young. You know what I mean?
Yes.
You have to know how to invest for make growing this money. Bon, the strength is the same. The flexibility help you to imagine you. Before the guys, he was doing that every day. Here is strong arm. But the rest of the body, he was not acting. Here, strong. But the hands no, the leg no, you know? So what you have to do is something general, or you have this. And the other thing, we have today everything too easy. That means you go there, you know?
Like this is something.
Look at me. You know, it's not bad, but you are doing this, you know?
But this is invisible training, no? Invisible
that you can train. You have to, you know, you have to take the distance with the things. The distance with the things, your mind take the distance too, you know? You have to change, extension, flexion. Don't do that, you have, it exists. But at the beginning, it's difficult to project that. No, we need more video for express that. We need more advice.
So I think to finish it up, to summarize, it's not about the way you run or you lift weights. It's more about your technical, you know, like your posture, you don't want to do this. You remember you said
no.
You want to be like here, and you want to you take maybe small weight, like you take let's say, I don't know, 5 kilo, but you work on the posture.
The posture is mean attitude, okay?
Right.
And then after create habit,
Yeah.
right? Okay, if you have an attitude relaxing and you take a weight, it's no sense.
Yeah.
There's no emotion with that, okay? If I want to punch you, I stand up and I punch you,
Yeah.
you know?
You punch.
No, but move me the hand there, you know?
Yeah.
But you have to create something in your brain for punch it. But you cannot do that. You know, that's bullshit. It's better do nothing. You know what I mean?
The same with the weight, you know, when you push like up, you don't want to just...
Right, because that is the concept. What is up is the concept of the gravity. You do that against the gravity, and the gravity takes you down.
Yeah.
No, you're here, you block, you say to the gravity, hey, I'm balanced with you.
Yeah.
And you control it up. Yeah. It's not like pumping. Yeah. Pumping is you make a sweating, you make a, okay, but that is not performance.
Yeah. Okay, I think that was good for people to maybe, at least they will start thinking, you know.
Voilà,
they will start to think.
This is the key. Start to thinking, and I prefer you from your computer to your kitchen.
Ouais.
You walk, you finish your computer, you are there. Maybe you're thinking, maybe you are not in good activity because nobody say to you, amen, straight, okay? You are there, but when you finish, you push your computer straight, make a good breath, and stand up, and eliminate a little bit this attraction you have got with your tooling, you know, and stand up, go to kitchen, make a coffee, recovering, inhale, exhale, but that's a good attitude, it's a good training. That's the key. I call that invisible training.
Wow.
Invisible training, every day, in every moment you do, before a meeting, over something, is much better than your 3 hours in the gym.
Or running, or jumping, or... So I think this is good. We're gonna finish on this one. Invisible training.
Invisible training.
And it can start even now, you know, like I'm here.
And now you train now, because you was talking too much.
Okay, I'm sweating.
Stay chest up, man. I will come back.
But we need to finish now. So
we will finish, but you finish with attitude.
Okay.
Show them how you stand up.
Okay, Fred, thank you.
Thank you.
Pleasure.
Bye.
You will come back soon.
I hope so.
Good. Thank you.